5 scientific reasons why women love fat guys. Good news for chubby, husky, and straight-up fat guys. A growing body of research suggests that women are attracted to men who edge closer to the side of overweight. And it's not just because they think chubby guys are funny or cute. In fact, women love fat guys for a number of reasons grounded in science, ranging from the assumed trustworthiness of fat guys to increased sexual stamina that extra pounds bring. And although being overweight comes with a number of health risks, including heart disease and erectile dysfunction, chubby guys don't need to get lean to find love. Science suggests that if there's one area in which husky men don't seem to struggle, it's relationships. But why do girls like fat guys? Here are 5 scientific reasons why women lust after fat men. Number 1. Chubby men are thought to be funnier. A substantial amount of evidence shows that women are more attracted to men who can make them laugh. In line with everything wrong with the world, it doesn't work the other way around. Although all fat men aren't necessarily funny, pop culture has socialized most people to believe that fat equals funny, unless proven otherwise. So whether or not those extra pounds translate to a sense of humor, women are likely to assume that fat guys are funny. Number 2. Love handles can handle longer lovemaking. Chubby guys are better in bed. According to a survey of 2,544 British women, 38% reported that overweight or plus-size men were superior lovers. It's not totally clear why extra cushion improves the push-in, but research suggests stamina might have something to do with it. Men with noticeable bellies and higher BMIs last 7.3 minutes longer in bed than slimmer men, a 2010 study from the International Journal of Impotence Research found. Hey, that's 7.3 fewer minutes needed in the gym. Number 3. Fat guys are considered trustworthy. The saying "never trust a skinny chef" may have less to do with food than people think, according to research from the University of Missouri. This study found that skinny politicians are less trustworthy compared to their husky counterparts. These findings make a solid case for Democratic presidential candidates eating more carbs, and this may be why women are into fat guys. Sure, trustworthiness isn't exactly the same thing as attractiveness, but it definitely adds to the appeal of chubby men. Number 4. Attractive fat guys are a product of evolution. Those who could store fat easily had an evolutionary advantage in the harsh environment of early hunters and gatherers. Garab Enoyan, MD, of the Baylor College of Medicine wrote in a 2006 paper. This ability to store surplus fat from the least possible amount of food intake may have made the difference between life and death. Indeed, in early human history, being husky was a status symbol. It meant you had the resources to survive, and you could share with a spouse. Being a fat guy indicated you were well off. Although modern women are more likely to be attracted to money than food, old habits die hard. It's possible, Enoyan writes, that traces of this instinctual attraction for fat guys linger, even when it doesn't come with a mansion. And number 5. Everyone looks thin next to a fat guy. Let's face it. For every study that says men, chubby ones in particular, aren't judged for their bodies, there are another 10 that say women are positively flagged for theirs. Partnering with a huskier man who's not obsessed with his body might make a woman feel more secure about her own. This, of course, on top of the literal comfort of cuddling with a chubby man's cozier bod. There's just more to love on a fat guy. As always, I am the Imperfect Man, and as for the topic question of the day, did you know fat guys were a most women true desire? Leave all your interesting and creative responses in the comment box below. I'll see you all on Monday.